Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Corolla timing chain using an easy method. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable torque wrench and a complete new timing chain kit. Safety is paramount, so ensure your engine is completely cool and the battery is disconnected before you begin. Next, carefully access the timing chain cover by systematically removing any obstructing engine components, such as the serpentine belt and valve cover. Now, let's move on to removing the old timing chain. Begin by rotating the crankshaft until the timing marks on both the crankshaft and camshaft align perfectly at the top dead center position. This critical step ensures proper engine timing. Once aligned, carefully loosen the timing chain tensioner to relieve all pressure from the chain. With the tension released, you can then gently remove the old timing chain along with its guides and sprockets. With the old chain out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new timing chain onto the sprockets, making absolutely sure that all the timing marks remain perfectly aligned. This precision is crucial for your engine's performance. Next, reinstall the timing chain tensioner and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque settings. Before reassembling everything, take a moment to double-check all components for correct placement and ensure every bolt is torqued properly. Finally, let's reassemble your engine. Carefully reattach all the components you removed earlier, such as the valve cover, serpentine belt, and any other parts. Ensure all connections are secure and all bolts are tightened to their correct specifications. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your battery and perform a test start to verify that the timing is correct and the engine runs smoothly. For other great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. This easy method should get your Corolla running perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.